How to use Testbirds and make money. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Testbirds and make money. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to testbirds.com, in which from here, it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know Testbirds is a company that specializes in crowd testing and software testing services. They offer a platform that connects companies and organizations with a global community of testers who provide feedback and insight on software, websites, and mobile application. And the main focus of Testbirds is to help businesses improve the quality and user experience of their digital product, in which they utilize a diverse crowd of testers who came from different background, demographics, and locations to ensure a wide range of perspectives and testing scenarios. And now that we are here in the footer of Testbirds, in order to make money using this platform, kindly proceed by clicking Become a Tester, and you will be directed in here, in which, as you can see here, you can earn money using your spare time in this platform. All you need to do is to become part of the crowd and get the chance to test a wide range of software products even before they release. And in order to become a tester, all you need to do is to fill out this required information right here, including your first name, last name, username, your address, birthday, email address, and your password. But before you join to this platform, why be a testbird? And below here, it will show you the answer, which is one of the answer is fair payment, which you can earn money by telling your opinion about software. And the payments are proportional to the complexity of the task. And aside from that, using this platform, you have a flexible hours, in which when you are invited to a test, you'll see all the deadlines, and it's up to you if you want to take a part or not. And aside from that, you can use your device in this platform. All you need is device which allows you to go online or the one that you're currently using right now. And aside from that, it also provides a privacy in which your personal information is stored in a safe place so you can ensure that your data is protected. Aside from that, below here you will see other details about Testbirds. And if you have any concern or question, you can proceed by clicking Check FAQs and you will be directed in here. And below is the frequently asked questions, and by clicking each question, it will show you the corresponding answers, such as how do I become a tester? And below, it will show you the step-by-step process on how will you become a tester. And after that, we can now go back to this page, in which the next thing that you need to do is to fill out all of this required information right here. Then proceed by checking these boxes that indicate that you agree to the terms and conditions. And after signing in, you will receive an email that you need to activate your account. So just proceed on your email inboxes, and below here, just click the email from Testbird and click Activate Your Account, in which upon clicking on it, you will be directed in this page, in which this is a dashboard of Testbirds. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to add your devices. You can start by selecting your main device, such as PC, smartphone, or tablet. So I'm going to select PC. And from here, you are also required to fill out all of this required information, such as language, your OS version, or the kind of Windows that you have, and after that, followed by the browser that you're using. So I'm going to select Chrome browser. And after that, you also need to enter the antivirus that you have. You can select any of those in this list. And after filling out all of the required information, just proceed by clicking Save, which is the button below. And after successfully adding your devices, it will reflect in this devices option. Now going back to the dashboard option, from here, you will see some of the tasks and reminders that you need to complete. Also, under the tasks and reminders, you will also see the entry tests available. But it says here that no entry tests available right now. And because of that, we're just going to complete the basic profile below. So upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, in which it will show you about your profile and data privacy, and just click the X on the corner of it. And from here, you have the two options, such as basic profile and advanced profile. Under the basic profile, you can add your contact details, job and education, language skills, personal informations, and test preference, which is at the moment is not available. While under the advanced profile, you can add your contact details, household and surroundings, job and education, personal information, spare time activities, media usage behavior, and special knowledge. And below here, if you scroll down, you will see some of the details including your personal information and contact details. Now let's say you already fill out all of the required information under the basic profile. And now, going back to the dashboard option, from here, you will see other data and details about this platform, including bird news, which is located on the right side panel, bug list, top 10 birds, and you can see here some of the users that have a huge amount of experience point, and they are ranked in here. While on the right side panel, you can also see the community point updates, which it will show you some of the users that earn a points. While below that details, you can also see the bird of the month, or the user or tester that has great contribution in this platform for this month. And aside from those details in this dashboard, you can also navigate some of the option which is located on the left side panel, such as devices, tests, payments, bird school, community, health, and imprint option, in which under the devices, it will show you the devices that you add in this platform. And below, you could also add smartphone, add tablet, PC, or laptop, or you can even add your car, motorcycle, and many more. While under the test option, which is currently not available, it will show you some of the test lists that you've already done, including your feedback to any specific software. While under the invitation, from here you will see some of the invitation that you can accept to give your feedback or opinion to any specific software before it release. Now under the payments option, it will show you the payment dashboard, including the pending line items and your current balance. As you can see here, there's a minimum amount of you can pay out or withdraw in this platform. So the money that you will earn upon submitting your feedback or opinion will be directed in this payment option. Now under the Bird School, this option will teach you some of the useful skills that can help you to improve your work, and some of the courses that they offer, including testing course, bugs, and usability. And as you can see here, you can earn experience points when you pass the quiz at the end of each chapter. And these points make you eligible for special events like advanced tests, meetups, or trade shows. And aside from that, under the community options, it will show you the Birds news, in which it will show you the updates of some of the events that happening in this platform. And with the help of Bird News, you can directly join to any of the events that they offer. While under the Bird of the Month, you can see here the name or username of the tester that is considered Bird of the Month or has a great contribution in this platform. You can also see the description about the specific tester. And aside from those options, you can also navigate the bug, refer friends option, which is to invite your friends and earn money, the help option, and the imprint option, which is contained of general information. So that is just how to use Testbirds and make money. Thank you.